Appreciate.
Tanong mo nga kung meron siyang green card.
You have a green card already?
You have a US visa.
Entry day.
Ituloy pa ba yung programa sa umaga? Yung sa umaga sa GMA?
Hindi naman sa silab eh.
Hindi yan sila.
Hindi ba sila?
Kamukha ka po ba?
Bumper to bumper!
Love yun eh.
Love.
Nakapag-pancake
Eto na, anong kakantahin mo?
And I am telling you po.
Ay, nako, mahirap na kanta ito. Alam mo ba yan nakalaban mo? 99, 94.
Unang ipaano.
Pero kaya mo yan.
Oh, may
Nakikita
100
namin.
pa naman eh.
May 100 pa. Ito na, PNP number 2, Marinel Dizon.
And I am telling you, I'm not going. You're my best love I ever known. There's no way I can ever go. No, 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 no way. Oh, no, 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 no way. I'm living without you. I'm not living without you. I don't wanna be free. I'm staying, just staying in you, and you're gonna love me. You're gonna love me, yes sir. And I am telling you, I'm not going, even though there are times I show it. There's no way, there's no way. We're part of the same place. We're part of the same time. We share the same love. We both have the same idea. And time, we've had so much to share. No, 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 no. I'm not waking up tomorrow morning, and finding that there's nobody there. Oh, darling, there's no way.
Marinel na-inspire kay Jessica Sanchez.
Nakakabitin naman, pabuga pa lang eh.
Ang hinahanap ko lang yung... Sino yun? Ni Jennifer Holiday ba yun?
Mone.
Tingnan natin kung napahaha ang ating judge na si Samoy G. Sam, ang hirap nito. Ang galing din ang pangalawa.
What can you say about Marinel Dizon?
Such a very tough competition.
Wait!
It's really hard. There is vocalization, there's, modernization, isolation.
Globalization?
How about the injection?
I'm Bombay, so there's globalization.
It's a free country. You can do what you want.
You did your projection very well. Your voice quality is very good.
What?
But right now, I think there's a, what's it called, the voicing?
Well, it's a free country. You can do what you want.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about. But let's try it and let's see your score.
Okay, thank you very much, Samoy G. 99 ang score to be, Marinel. Oh, may mga 90, may mga 80. Tingnan natin kung anong ATM ni Marinel. 94!
In fairness, my future.
My future.
Pero Federico, congratulations! Ikaw ang pambato ng inyong barangay pagdating sa kantahan. Meron kang
15,000 pieces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15,000 pieces.
At humihingi ka ng balato. Eto, balato mo, 2,000.
2,000 para sa'yo. Congratulations din.
At eto, meron din kayo nag-give back mula sa No Rice Bake.
Right, mate.
Para sa yan. At meron din kayong gift pack mula sa Surf Dishwash. Meron yung active gel technology na may dobling bisa sa pagtatanggal ng sebo. At meron din yung sachet na murang-mura lang. Magkano yan, Wally?
4 pesos lang kada sachet at mabibili yan sa inyong suking tindahan.
Sa suki yung tindahan.
Sa suki.
Huwag ka sa hindi suki. Ha? Congratulations.
Congratulations, pare.
Maraming salamat.
Hindi ka nyo kailangan yung boss mo na.
Maraming salamat sa Itulaga.
Parang
okay.
Inday Garutay na. Kilala niyo ba ako? Thank you, judges.
Maraming salamat sa ating mga judges. Ito po ang PNV Pambato ng Video. Susunod na, wave, win. Kaliwa o kanan. pagbabalik ng Eat Bulaga!
Sabado, final exams na ng Junior Pinoy Henyo. Ready na ang mga palaban na mga Paconians from Paco,